Today I'm using Scrivener and I'm working on a novel. And as you can see, what's nice about Scrivener is it has this hierarchy style here where I can actually have everything from my research that I lay out to characters to each individual act. In this case, a novel as a TV show in a way. So it kind of works out very nicely in terms of the scene breaks and the idea of episode one, the teaser I've worked on, and now I'm going into act one of episode one. So that way it allows me to actually check these off the box as I work through episode one, and I change the color here. So little by little, it's taking a bigger section and making it a small piece to work with. And I will move it to the green icon and have a little momentary satisfaction of accomplishing something today.